This is how we start the day, every day. Got TRUEMEAL, but we put it in our coffee. TRUEMEAL is the first meal of my day, 400 calories, gram of carbs, gram of sugar, 50 grams of high quality isolate whey protein, so you're not getting bloated like you do with the majority of those protein shakes that are out there from the whey protein concentrate. Then we add 2 scoops of the beauty protein, collagen protein. It's crazy what happens when you start taking collagen protein. I've had clients tell me they're getting longer, thicker hair, longer, thicker eyelashes. So ladies, you don't need to glue on your butterfly eyelashes anymore. But throw it in a shaker cup with coffee, water, whatever you want. I always start off the day with coffee because coffee is life. Shake it up in a shaker. You can drink it out of a shaker cup. I just like drinking it out of a mug since I got an entire collection of mugs. Whenever I travel, I get a new mug for wherever I go. It blends perfectly. It's not clumpy. It's not gritty. It is absolutely smooth deliciousness, so freaking perfect in your coffee. You don't need to add that garbage coffee creamer anymore. That majority of the time is canola oil, vegetable oil, and palm oil. Freaking delicious. Go get you some TRUEMEAL.